What's up, YouTube? Coming at you guys back with another video. Today, guys, we have some upgrades to my interior. I've got some Mugen items. We'll be doing an unboxing, and then I'll be getting these pieces installed and then showing you guys what the after results look like. But before we get started, if this is your first time on the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are enjoying the content as well, hit that like button as well. That really goes a long way for the channel. So with that being said, let's see what upgrades we have. Alright guys, so we've got a package from King Motorsports. It's got the Mugen logo. And we have the black leather shift knob from Mugen as well. And this will be getting used on the new Hybrid Racing short shifter. If you guys haven't seen my initial impressions on that, I'll drop a link for that as well. So you guys can watch that. But yeah, I'm running the Hybrid Racing shift knob with that short shifter for now, but I do want to have this on hand as well, just to kind of switch it up, and you guys will see why here in a moment. So this Mugen box, this is going to be their new steering wheel for the Civic Type R FK8. So I'll go ahead and unbox this, and we'll take a look at it. Alright guys, so we got everything unboxed and out, ready to view. And man, this thing has some really nice quality. This is the Mugen steering wheel, recently released, like I said, from the FK8. And yeah, it's just a beautiful piece and really thick, especially in comparison to stock. Also have the shift knob. But just to show you a quick comparison between the thickness from factory and this Mugen wheel, you can see the difference right there in thickness. I'll also do a comparison with the Alcantara wheel as well once I get that off. Really like that wheel as well. Really had no plans of replacing it, but once I saw this steering wheel release, and I've seen it on some people's Type R's, I figured that it was definitely a missing piece for my interior. So the suited Alcantara wheel will be for sale. Hit me up in my Instagram if you are interested. I will post a once I get it removed, probably later this week, I'll post a for sale post for that. My Instagram is Vegas_type_R. Make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram. And like I said, if you're interested in purchasing this suited Alcantara wheel, then hit me up in the Instagram if you're interested in that. But let's go ahead and get the Alcantara wheel removed. And like I said, I will do a comparison so you can see the differences between that wheel and this wheel. Yeah, I'm just really impressed with the quality. This is real carbon fiber, and the leather is really nice and thick, and has a little bit of give to it as well. So yeah, it should be a very comfortable steering wheel. Alright guys, so we've got the airbag off. I apologize with the lack of lighting. But I'm in my garage working on this, and the sun is starting to go down. Got the airbag cut off. The hardest part is probably doing these clips right here. What you'll want to do is just apply 2 small flatheads on each side and press up, and those will pop right out. So we're just going to remove these remaining screws, and then we'll be able to and then we have that last middle bolt, and then we'll be able to pull this steering wheel off, and then we can transport everything over to the new Mugen wheel. Alright guys, so you can see we have the Alcantara wheel has been removed from the car. Like I said, no complaints on this wheel. It's actually very nice. like I said, this will be for sale. Like I said earlier, just make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram, especially if you're interested in this. It will be for sale. Remove the airbag. Alright, so just show you a comparison between thickness. This is the version 2 extra thickness Alcantara wheel, and you can see the thickness on the Mugen wheel. In my opinion, this one is a little bit thicker, so this is nice as well. Okay, this wheel felt really good, so we'll get these pieces removed and we'll get those transferred over to the new wheel. And then there's my factory wheel for comparison purposes. You can see the differences between all three. This is way too many steering wheels, so I'm happy to finally be getting this one that I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up settling on, and this will be my forever steering wheel, you know, as long as I own the car. So let's go ahead and get everything transferred over. Okay guys, so we have the pieces have been transferred over, and you guys are able to see what the Mugen steering wheel looks like. To me, this looks amazing. I'm yeah, just ready to get it put back in the car. Let me know if you guys think down below, and I'll make sure to once I get this installed, I'll get some interior shots so you guys can see what it looks like. Yeah, looks awesome. Also guys, did want to mention before I put the steering wheel back on that Mugen does supply their own bolt to secure the steering wheel, and the 2 screws as well to lock it in place. So I'm gonna use the provided materials, and we'll go ahead and get it back installed. Alright guys, so we got the steering wheel installed, and yeah, this steering wheel is awesome. It's much thicker than the stock. Even feels a little bit different on the sides, and the carbon fiber feels awesome, and the leather material feels awesome as well. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the Mugen shift knob on, and we'll see what that looks like. All right guys, so we've got the Mugen shift knob installed on the Hybrid Racing shifter. For now, and like I said, I have it exposed. So just giving you a shot of how it looks with the Hybrid Racing shifter exposed. And now I'm going to put the Alcantara shift boot back on, and then show you guys what that looks like as well. Alright guys, and this is what the Mugen shift knob looks with the Alcantara shift boot and the stock collar. So this is probably how I would run it when I choose to run this shift knob. But for now, I'm gonna just continue using the Hybrid Racing shift knob. But yeah, when I want to use this is probably what the setup will look like. So just like more of an OEM look when I run this shift knob to go and match the wheel. Alright guys, so I changed my mind, and I'm actually going to run the setup just like this. So I'm going to leave the Alcantara boot on, going to leave the Mugen shift knob on, and just see how I like it running like this, because got the shift knob, push button start, and along with the steering wheel. So there we go. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed those upgrades. I know I am definitely enjoying them for sure, and very happy with the product that Mugen is putting out for the FK8. So just want to show you guys the sweeted Alcantara wheel one more time. Once again, this wheel will be for sale. I'm going to do a video and I'm going to clean it, get it completely fresh. Like I said, it really doesn't necessarily need it. It's in really good condition now. I ran the wheel for about 3 months, but I do want to show how to clean Alcantara product, and then once that is complete, this wheel will be for sale. So if you're interested, like I said earlier, definitely make sure to follow my Instagram at Vegas_type_R, and that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. I'm out.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and